years ago, we established Ricoh Production Printing in New Zealand to bring a fresh combination of technology, support and value to Kiwi printers. And over those 10 years, the world we live in changed. It got faster, noisier and more direct. It got bigger and yet at the same time, much smaller. Those changes brought major shifts in the print industry. Shifts in what was possible and shifts in what was needed. At Ricoh, our mission has been to not just keep pace, but to remain ahead of the curve. As an organisation, we've pushed ourselves to innovate and drive our research and development to keep our technology at the forefront of the market. In the past 10 years, we've introduced new products that have shaped our industry, we've zeroed in on new applications that support the evolving way the world does business, and we've ensured our tools give our customers confidence that they, in turn, can lead their markets. In the past 10 years, we've found new partnerships that have opened doors for growth, expanded our horizons, and made us not only bigger, but more importantly, better. We've gained the trust and support of hundreds of new customers and have earned loyalty from those who have shared in our journey since the beginning. In those 10 years, while our global focus has been on technical innovation and growth, locally our focus has been on creating world-class support right here in New Zealand. We have sought continuous improvement through investment in our service. Investment that has created a support infrastructure of people and technology that together combine into what we truly believe is the benchmark. All to ensure our customers are able to focus on their business with the confidence that the tools of their trade will deliver day in, day out, 365 days a year. We are driven by our desire to deliver service that does not just meet our customers' needs, but that sets us apart. And while top-class support at a local level has been a difference maker, Ricoh's global support network and our international standards and accreditations provide another layer of certainty and assurance. This unerring focus on service and support has allowed us to develop deep and enduring partnerships with our customers over 10 exciting, rewarding and successful years as Ricoh Production Print.
The business of production and commercial printing continues to evolve at a staggering pace. That evolution has been driven by the ever-changing shape of business, by the way organizations and people produce and consume information, and by the ever-growing capability of technology. Here at Ricoh, we're not just reacting to that evolution, we're driving it. We're seeing new and compelling opportunities that clearly demonstrate the digital print market is not contracting. In fact, quite the opposite. At Ricoh New Zealand, we're excited about the future. We're seeing new applications being enabled by transformation on disruptive technologies. Out of new applications, we see the emergence of new markets. These, combined with the rapid growth we're already seeing in important segments, such as marketing and publishing, give us cause to believe that we'll see the market double in the next 10 years. We see a fertile local market filled with potential and ripe for innovation and entrepreneurship that will shape our collective futures. Our job is to inspire fresh thinking and create opportunities for our customers to lead. Our imperative is to be the best possible partner to our customers, to give them the technology, the knowledge, the leadership and the support they need as we enter the next exciting decade. A decade that will undoubtedly bring more change and with it, more challenges and more opportunity. We're looking forward to walking side by side with our customers on this journey. Here's to the next 10 years.